Okay, so hello my dear students. In this video, we shall be discussing sample problems for error correction, particularly discussion of counterbalancing and non-counterbalancing error. So we have here our first problem. No? So D Corporation reports net income for a 2-year period as follows. So for 2017, my um, unadjusted net income siya, unadjusted net income of uh, 20, 1,600,000. Okay. And for 2018, my unadjusted net income siya na 1,500,000. So you have here errors for both 2017 and 2018. Now, the requirement is to compute for the adjusted net income for 2017, adjusted net income for 2018, and um, adjustment to retained earnings. Okay, so first we have understatement of inventory. So, ano yung effect if understated yung inventory mo? Okay? Yeah. So, if understated, so if your ending inventory is understated, understated. So, ano yung effect niya sa COGS mo, tsaka net income? So, net income. Okay? So, if understated siya, if understated, yung COGS mo is overstated, di ba? And if your COGS is overstated, that will happen your net income. So, your income will be understated. Therefore, ang effect sa error is understated yung net income, i-add mo siya no, to get the adjusted net income. For 2017 and for 2018, counterbalancing man siya. No? So, pag counterbalancing, result to addition, pag understated, addition siya for the year of error, and then since ang mangyari kasi, if ending inventory is understated, by next period, your beginning inventory is also understated. No? So, if beginning inventory is understated, understated ang gas, understated din ang COGS. So, it will result to overstatement of your net income. No? So, this is actually a counterbalancing error, di ba? No? So, for 2018 naman, understated siya by 118,000. Okay. Next, overstatement of accrued advertising. So if overstated yung accrued advertising mo, that means also na overstated din yung expense mo, 'di ba? 'Di ba? So if overstated yung expenses, therefore understated yung net income. Okay, so since this is counterbalancing, reduction siya for the next year. No? Next would be overstatement of accrued interest income. Okay. So if overstated yung accrued interest income mo, meaning you've recorded overstated na net income. No? Kasi since accrued interest income, no, meaning na sobra pag-accrue ng income, meaning no overstate yung interest income mo. So it will result to no overstatement of your net income. Since counterbalancing ito, add siya sa next period. Okay? And for 2018, may 60,000 na overstatement. Next would be the omission of depreciation. Okay? So, yung depreciation is a non-counterbalancing error. So, hindi siya mag-counterbalance in the next year. So, for 2017, hindi ka nakapag-record ng depreciation. So, understated depreciation, so overstated yung net income mo, okay, by 80,000. And for next year, 100,000. So you have adjusted net income, okay? For 2017 of your adjusted net income would be 1,670,000. And for 2018 naman, your adjusted net income would be 1,330,000. So, check lang natin. May 110. May overstatement pa pala of advertising for 2018. Okay. Overstatement of advertising for 2018. Na 30,000. Okay, so you have 1,670,000 for 2017 and 1,330,000 for 2018. Ito yung answer. Letter E at saka letter D. Now, if books are still open, for 2017, no, so ito yung net adjustment mo, no? Ikunin natin yung net adjustment. Okay. So the net adjustment would be ito. Ito yung net adjustment, 70,000 na addition. Dito is 170,000 na deduction. Okay? Yan. So, get. Okay, so ito yun siya. So, if books are still open, meaning pwede mo pa siya i-adjust ang 2018, no? So, ang adjustment mo, ito na lang, addition of yung net adjustment for 2017, which is 70,000 addition. Okay? So, if books are closed na, so, ang mangyari, offset mo na lang, no? Ito siya. So, for 2017 na error, 2017 na net adjustment, saka 2018 na net adjustment. So, that would be 70,000 addition, and then for 2018, 170,000 na deduction. So, ang net niya would be 100,000 na reduction to retained earnings. Again, so if books are still open, ang i-adjust mo lang sa beginning balance of your retained earnings would be the effect ng error for 2017. However, if books are closed na for 2018 pala, no? If books are closed for 2018 na, then ang i-adjust mo is yung effect ng error net for 2017 and 2018, of which 100,000 no na reduction. Okay? Yun siya. Okay, so let's resume to our second problem. Okay? So you have been engaged to prepare audit financial statement figures for Born Incorporated. So the records are in agreement with the following balance sheet. No? So yun siya, we have here the assets and liabilities and capital, owner's equity of Born Incorporated. So a review of the records of the corporation indicates that errors and omissions listed in the table below had not been corrected during the applicable year. So we have here the year, no, and its errors and omissions. So here we have to analyze and we have to adjust, no, the records. So the net income, according to the records for 2015, we have 7.5, 2016, 6.5, 2017, 5.5. So no dividends were declared during these years. And no adjustments were made to retained earnings. So ignoring income tax effects, we have to answer for the following questions. The adjusted net income for 2015, adjusted net income or loss for 2016, adjusted net income or loss for 2017, and the effects of error in the working capital at the end of 2017, and what is the adjusted balance of the stockholders' equity at December 31, 2017. Okay? So first, you have to determine, analyze muna the errors, no? So, ito siya. Effect muna of error. So, ang error for 2014, lang siya. So let's analyze natin if counterbalancing siya or non-counterbalancing. So yung 2014 na error, ito, for 2014, pag-analyze ito is dito, no? Yan. Ito yung error sa 2014. So, ending inventory is understated. So if ending and understated, ang result din niya, di ba, is net income is understated by 6,000. So effect din niya, no? Mag-counterbalance man yan siya. So deduction in the succeeding years net income. So depreciation expense is non-counterbalancing, di ba? Okay? So that means hindi ka, since errors and omission man ito, meaning hindi ka nakapag-record ng depreciation for 2014 for 250. Yan. It would be a deduction. And then, ito naman, prepaid insurance 900. So, ang assumption mo dito, the entire insurance ki-expense mo or the entire expense is gi-expense mo lahat, no? Or yan siya. So, pero may prepaid pa yon. So meaning to say, may overstated yung expense mo, no? Kasi gi-expense mo lahat. Di mo na-record ang prepaid portion of the expenses. Okay, so addition ito, since counterbalancing ito, effect siya for 2015. Next, accrued expense. So if accrued expense is understated, meaning to say, di ka nakapag-record or understated yung expense ng nag-i-accrue mo. Okay, understated siya. So if understated yung expense na gi-accrue mo, so overstated yung net income by 200. Of course, this is counterbalancing. So addition siya sa next period. So next would be for 2015 na error, no? So ending inventory is overstated. So if ending inventory is overstated, no, understated yung COGS, so overstated yung net income mo, no, by 7,000. So since this is counterbalancing, no, may effect ito siya sa 2016 na net income. Okay, 7,000. Next, depreciation. See, this is non-counterbalancing, di ba? So, hindi ka nakapag-record for depreciation for 500 pesos. Okay? And then, for prepaid insurance, same kanina. So, meaning, di ka nakapag-record ng prepaid, meaning gi-expense mo lahat. Di mo na-record ang prepaid portion ng expense. So, that would be 700. Of course, may effect siya sa 2016-17 na net income, 700. Next, you have unearned income. Say unearned income. So, all income received, gi-record mo as revenue. So, di ka nakapag-record ng unearned income. Meaning to say, di lahat pala ng income na na-receive mo is earned. No? So, may portion pa na ma-earned in the next period. No? So, meaning to say, overstated yung income na record mo. That will lead to, no? Of course, overstatement also for your net income. Could be 400. And since counterbalancing ito, mag-effect siya for 2016. And lastly, accrued expenses. So, accrued expenses ano explanation natin dito kanina? So, kulang yung expenses na gi-accrue mo by 75. No, so, if kulang yung expense, understated, overstated yung net income mo by 75. Yan. So let's have 2016 errors na. So for 2016, still inventory is overstated by 8,000. So may effect siya for 2018, no? 2017. Counterbalancing siya. And depreciation is understated by 150. This is non-counterbalancing. Same again, yung prepaid insurance mo, understated. No? Understated siya. So, overstated yung expense. Okay, and then accrued expense. No? Accrued expense of how much yung, yan, understatement of your accrued expense for 100. Then, since counterbalancing, may effect siya sa net income. Okay, so let's have 2017 error. Yan, 2017 error na tayo. So for 2017, ending inventory is understated. So yung error for 2017 lang ang maka-affect sa ating working capital, okay? Kasi of course, assuming these errors, no, for 2014 to 2016, no, nag-counterbalance man yun. So ang maka-affect lang sa working capital is yung errors for 2017. Okay, so we have here 2017 error, no? Inventory is understated. Understated yung inventory so 9,000. Okay? Yan. So understated yung net income. Okay, then it also means understated yung inventory, understated din yung working capital mo. So working capital, diba, is current assets less current liabilities. So if your current assets understated, also your working capital also would be understated. Depreciation expense, no? That's non-counterbalancing, diba? Yan. So since depreciation is non-current asset, yung effect ng error niya at saka omission, walang effect sa working capital. Yan. Okay, so prepaid insurance is understated. Addition to net income, also this would also understate your working capital. Next would be unearned income. Unearned income, so overstated yung income mo, no, by 300. So overstated din your capital mo by 300. Next, yung accrued expense mo, overstated yung expenses. understated yung expenses, so overstated yung net income. It would also lead to overstatement of your working capital. Okay? So the effects of the error would be yung effect ng error natin. No? So ito yung effect ng error. No? For 2014, okay, effect ng error natin. Yan. Okay, so ito yung effect ng error each year. Okay? So if kunin natin yung cumulative, yan. No? So we have the unadjusted net income. Unadjusted net income for the years. No? So we have for 2015, we have 7.5. And for 2016, 6.5. 2017, 5.5. Therefore, yung adjusted. Ay, sorry, 50 pala ito ha. 50. 50. Yan. Itong understatement ng accrued expense. Okay, so yung adjusted mo for 2015, so you have 6,475 na loss. Ito yun, 6,475. For 2015, you have 5,525 na income. For 2017, we have 22,050. So may difference tayo. Yung 15 difference natin. Wait. 8,000. 9,000. 350. We have 600. 350. Okay, so yung net income pala is 5.5. For 20, unadjusted is 5.5 for 2017. So you have ito yun, no? Yung adjusted net income for 3 years, no? 6,475 na loss for 2015. And then 2015 na 5,525 and for 2016 na 22,000. Okay? And then yung effect ng error for the working capital you have here, ito siya 9,250, no, na understated. Yan po. And then, next question, what is the adjusted balance of the shareholders' equity? Okay? So, we have to get the adjusted balance of the retained earnings muna. So, the adjusted balance of the retained earnings. So, ito yung unadjusted. You have 27,000. Diba? Ito, 27,000. And then, ang effect ng lahat ng adjustments, no? Ito siya. So, adjustment mo for errors for 2014 to 2017, no? So, effect ng error niya, ito lahat, no? Would be 8,000, no? So, the adjusted RE na, adjusted RE, adjusted retained earnings, will be 35,000. Okay? So, you have your APIC also, or since she man yung question, so you have APIC of 40,000, and you have common stock of 20,000. So you have adjusted shareholders equity, no, of 35 plus 40 plus 20. So you have adjusted shareholders equity of 95,000. Yan siya. Okay, so that's the sample problem po for correction of error. So thank you everyone. Bye.